What's up, everyone? I am Brett Q, and I race dirt bikes. Yeah, I don't really race as much as I used to, but you can bet that if I wake up on the right side of the bed and I'm feeling a little frisky, you might just see me at a race, and I'm gonna have a Works Connection Holeshot device on my bike just in case. I've used these things since probably 2002, and they've come so far. And they've also led me to many a MotoSport.com holeshots. You want a hole shot? Check this out. Works Connection's been making hole shot devices from the beginning, and they have them dialed. The springless design leaves no question whether it's fully latched when you set it and gives a consistent release. The design also makes it easy for the rider to set with no outside help. The fit and finish of these things are top notch, come in many different color options for every bike, and are made in the USA. Something else that comes with these hole shot devices and is very important to install are these metal braces. With all the force of your suspension being pulled down like it is, it's very important to get these in because it'll pull out your fork guard if you don't have them. Thanks for taking the time to watch me talk about these hole shot devices from Works Connection. Now I'm going to tell you the usual: like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that good stuff. And while you're at it, go to MotoSport.com, get a hole shot device, and I'll see you in the first turn out in front.